So I just finished with the video on math, and I'm going to continue with another one on math because we are going to be learning this week about money. So we're introducing to kindergarten the first coins that they're going to be playing with, which is, this is a dime, right? Is this a dime? Yes. It has the face upside down. There you go. And we have the penny. But I'm also going to introduce the nickel, which used to look like this nickel. So you see that was the old-fashioned one. This is the new one. All right. So we're going to count, and we're going to learn how to count. So first, a penny is worth 1 cent. 1 cent. So when you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one by one. Got it? But a nickel is worth 5 cents. So when you count your nickels, you have to count them by 5. 5. And the last one is the dime. This one you have to count them by 10's. So if you do count by 10's, then you can count all of your dimes. Okay? I'm going to lower my camera so that you can see what I am doing and we can learn together. So if you have any coins, take them out either from your piggy bank or from your mom's purse or even from your dad's wallet. He might have some stashed somewhere. But anyway, we are counting our pennies by ones. So I'm going to put them all over here and we're going to count them one by one. So you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are 10 pennies. And 10 pennies is worth 10 cents. 10 pennies is worth 10 cents. Back then, you could buy candy with just 10 cents, but not in New York. Now, we're going to use the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So, I'm going to move this. We're going to put 5, and guess what we're going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see 5 pennies is the same as a nickel. This and these pennies are equally the same. They are the same. Okay? The same means I can use a nickel to buy a lollipop back then, and I can use 5 pennies to buy a lollipop, right? But that's not where it stops. When you have 2 nickels, you have to count them by 5s. So you say 5, 10. What is it? 5, 10. What else is 10? Well, a dime is worth 10 cents too. This is 10 cents. This is 10 cents. Now I'm going to bring back all the pennies. Shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have 1 dime, that's 10 cents, 2 nickels, that is 10 cents, and 10 pennies, that's 10 cents. So you can use 3 different ways of making 10. 3 different ways of making 10. All right? The other thing that you could do is count the nickels, right? And you can say this is 5 cents, but these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is also 5 cents. This is 5 cents. This is 5 cents. Now, when you get to a higher grade, that is not kindergarten, then it's going to get like this, where you can say 5, and then after 5, you have to count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 cents. But this dime is also 10 cents. So this and these are also equally the same. All right? So there are different things that you can do. So in my bag, and you can get, fake coins. You can get them anywhere. At Dollar Tree, 99-cent store. You name it, they got it. So I'm going to take out some nickels and some dimes, and we are going to count them. So those of you who do know how to count to 100, this is another way that you can count to 100. So I'm very excited to do this on a video because I always wanted to teach kids in pre-K and in kindergarten how to count money. And for some reason, the lesson never got through until now, when they decided to make it a little different for the kids. So now I'm doing this, so let's see. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna get some more dimes. So now I have enough dimes. I'm still looking for nickels, so be patient. And I'm going to try to put all my pennies back in here, because this is my bag. The school has its own coins, so I'm using these for the video. This is my collection, so to speak. So I'm trying to get as many as I can. And we'll see how it goes. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, so I got them. So let's go with counting by tens, because most of you are going to be focusing on counting by ones and tens. Ready? So here is counting to 100 with 10 dimes. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So you have $1 here. $1 in dimes is 100 dimes, or 100 cents in dimes, right? And this is counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? That's how you count 100, which is equivalent in dimes to $1. And these are 10 dimes. Now, I'm going to put them over, and we're going to bring the nickels. So, nickels are going to be counted by 5's. Why? Well, because nickels are valued in 5. Dimes are counted by 10's. So we're going to do 5's. Okay? So here we go. Remember, counting by 5's also to 100. Ready? 1, which means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, let me move it over, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100 right here. So we have 100 in nickels, and that is equivalent to $1. $1. But you're counting by, exactly, you're counting by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's 10 times this, okay? 10 times your hands. So this is a different way of counting and a different way of working with money. So here you have 10 dimes, which is $1, or counting 100 by tens, and then you have nickels. Also, counting by 5s up to 100, which is also equivalent to $1. And remember, you need to practice your money because you get allowance or you save money from the Tooth Fairy, and smart is not something you are. Smart is something you get.